Well, hello, today's question is how to download WinRar and install that program. Let's go to browser, let's go to Google, and we can go like this, Google, and let's type WinRar download. Don't worry about the entire process, you can easily go to the description of this video and click on the link and you're gonna be directly redirected to the website where you can download WinRar. So I'm gonna continue. Let's go here, WinRar download latest version, and we're gonna download the English version, WinRar 6.21 English, but 64-bit, because we are using 64-bit operating system. In case you are using 32-bit operating system, there should be WinRar 6.21 32-bit. Let's check it out. So here it is on any language that you want. So I want to be on English language, and I'm gonna download this WinRar 6.21 English 64-bit and click on that. Let's go to downloads, save. Let's click on that WinRar, press yes, and this is the destination folder where we are going to install this our WinRar. So I'm going to install it in this partition. You can install it wherever you want, and I'm going to go to program files, make new folder and call it WinRar. Pressing OK, install, and toggle all. Add WinRar to desktop and press OK. Click done, and that is the entire process and all the magic how you need to download and install WinRar. So again, thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.